Hello, little bees. Welcome to Bellybees Bedtime Radio. It's time to get cozy. Find your favorite blanket, find your favorite pillow, and let your body get comfortable. There is nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to do. Right now, this is your quiet time. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Breathe in slowly. 1, 2, 3. Now breathe out gently. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's do that again. Breathe in slowly. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out slowly. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Now imagine a tiny golden star above your bed. The star shines softly, not too bright, just bright enough to make you feel warm and safe. The little star is watching over you tonight. And every time you take a slow breath, the star glows a little brighter. Take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Very good. Now let's make our bodies sleepy. Can you feel your toes? Give them a tiny wiggle. Now let them rest. Your toes are sleepy. Can you feel your feet? Let them rest. Your feet are sleepy. Can you feel your legs? Let them become soft and heavy. Your legs are sleepy. Can you feel your tummy? Take a gentle breath in and a gentle breath out. Your tummy is calm. Your tummy is sleepy. Now let your shoulders relax. Let them drop down. They don't have to work anymore today. Your shoulders are sleepy. Now your hands, your arms, your neck, your cheeks, your eyes. Everything is becoming calm. Everything is becoming sleepy. Now imagine you are lying on the softest cloud in the sky. The cloud feels fluffy, warm, comfortable, safe. The cloud begins to float very slowly through the night sky. Not fast, just gently drifting. The moon smiles down at you. Tiny stars twinkle around you. The air feels peaceful. The cloud carries away any worries from today, any frustration, any sadness, any big feelings. The cloud knows exactly what to do with them. It carries them far away and leaves your heart feeling lighter. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. Good. You are safe. You are loved. You are kind. You are important. You are brave. And tomorrow is a brand new day. A day for learning. A day for laughing. A day for adventures. But not right now. Right now, your job is to rest. The cloud continues floating gently, higher and higher, softer and softer, sleepier and sleepier. Your eyes feel heavy, your body feels warm, your breathing is slow and calm. Everything is peaceful, everything is quiet, everything is okay. Take one last slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Good night, little bees. Sleep well. Dream sweet dreams, and remember, you are loved more than you know. Good night.